Mitchell's total dedication. Luckily for you, all you have to do is use your Visa card. Pay with Visa now for a chance to win one of 25 trips to the London 2012 Olympic Games. More people go with Visa.
There is now a hotel booking site which not only places 1 million rooms on sale every day, it alerts you to worldwide deals that are 1 in a million. Oh yes, an extra 12.5% off already reduced New Zealand hotels. Now that's surely worth checking into at webjet.com.au.
Sing, Donnie, sing.
Look, Sophia, just like one of my Italian meal bases. This one just has vegetables, chicken, and cream. Delicious. How you make a dinner so delicious, eh? I can always find something hidden in my bowl. Dolio, Italian meal bases.
New premium choices. They're so special. We introduce them with my deep, rich voice. Meet the Swiss avocado chicken tender crisp and the cheddar Swiss chicken tender crisp. Hungry Jack's makes it better.
One of the most spectacular journeys from here in Australia to every corner of the world. The Getaway Summer Series, Thursday 7:30 on 9.
How you were doing? Good. Your mom seems nice.
People move away from her on the bus. What do you want?
Okay, look, Howard, I just want to apologize for
Good
something
boy,
that I
Donnie.
said
Good boy.
about you. I've been informed that you have feelings. And apparently I hurt them. So, I'm sorry.
Hello, Donnie. Hello. Good, good.
Goodbye.
So, you're okay?
Hey, I'm a big boy. I'm not traumatized by some random comment from some random woman. I mean, get over yourself.
Okay. Well, bye. So close.
Oh my God, that's Brittany's robot? I don't know anymore. Sean, we have to call it off.
We don't have that option. We've accepted the challenge. We can't run away from a fight.
Oh, please. We spent our whole lives running away from fights. Personally, I can squeeze through a whole defense half my size.
But impressive as that may be, Monty is not us. Monty has no feelings.
Yeah.
Sheldon, did we all not just watch the same video? Could these robots just have angry sex with a mid-sized automobile? You know what we're looking at?
Very interesting.
Modify Monty so that
You want to prepare him, install a bladder and a pair of shorts so he can wet himself.
Excuse me, but how are we going to make any modifications without Wallowitz? Have you ever been yet?
Not yet.
Have faith, gentlemen. We don't need Wallowitz. Engineering is merely the slow younger brother of physics. Watch and learn. Do either of you know how to open the toolbox?
Donnie. Donnie.
When I was 14, I met Marcy Presley. She was so beautiful. She just got her braces off, but they left a little of the overbite. It was so